Hey, this is Sharon Stewart Francis, and if you're watching this video, you requested more information, so this is the information document. Now, you've clicked on this link because you wanted to watch a video. More than likely, the video is still on this page, but if you've double-clicked, it went to YouTube. Don't worry about it. You can watch it on YouTube and scroll down to the description, and it will land you back on this document if you would like to take the next step. With this shortcut asset, I can envision you getting 2 hours of your day back and creating an extra 2,400 each month, all without having to jump on sales calls. Let me walk you through how it works. So you've built a signature offer, and here's what's happening now. You've done the hard work. You pull together your best methods, every modules, every resource, every support call. You created something comprehensive, but comprehensiveness isn't what sells. When an offer tries to solve everything for everyone, people don't buy. And it's all because confusion kills sales. When buyers can't instantly understand where to start, what the promise is, or what the problem you actually solve, they freeze. They exit. They keep scrolling. Your expertise is powerful, guys. Be sure that it's powerful. Your offer is simply unclear. What if the problem isn't your work, but how it's packaged? So what you're actually looking for is a lean offer with one clear promise, a message people get instantly, packaging that feels like a quick, obvious win. You're not losing expertise, guys. You're not shrinking your transformation. No, you're simply making it easy for people to say yes right now. That's exactly what the shortcut Offer Power Hour does. So what happens in 60 minutes? Number one, we identify your shortcut offer. We pinpoint the one slice of your signature work people will buy immediately. Here's the income impact. Expect 3 buyer leads per day, which this is what this means essentially. So I give the example of $200 because I think that's a sweet offer and something easy. Most people have $500 on a credit card at least. It can easily convert to $600 a week, right? Work even with a tiny audience. So you don't have to have a huge audience for this to work. This is your fastest path to revenue offer. Number two, package it clearly and simply. We craft a message that is clean, simple, and magnetic, the kind that stops the scroll. Here's the income impact. At $2,400 per month, which is the $600 times the 4 weeks on the front end. So guys, you want to have something on the front end of your offer, something that you can sell immediately and get quick income. You don't have to stop there. You can graduate them because it is known, and you can look this up, 75.2% of people who buy once will buy again. That's almost 80%, right, of people that will rebuy your offer. And I am a product of that. I have people buying over and over again, right? Creates a natural bridge to the premium offer and leads to 3 to 6K premium enrollments without pressure, right? Because they're buying again, there's no pressure for you. Clarity equals conversion every time. And number 3, your 3-step DMs selling plan using my DM Charm School done for you templates. So I have created GPT called the DM Charm School that works like a charm for real. A simple plan to spark conversation, test demands, and sell quickly. No funnels, no launches, no endless content loop. These things do work. Not saying they don't. Everything works. What I'm saying, if you're at the starting point, if you're at ground zero, you do not have to wait to build out all this stuff because that's what's crunching out all your time. That's what's sucking your time out. And then you don't have time to really actually do the income producing activities. What I'm proposing here is that you do income producing activities first. Validate your offer first. There's a 3-point validation steps that I will be going over in the call, which is essential to getting sales. And people skip over this because they're doing funnels and they're doing all this stuff that's not necessary for the sales just yet. So the income impact is save 2 hours per day. Let's save that time. Produces consistent DMs sales. Let's do that instead, and opens up $2,400 per month with conversational messaging. This is where your momentum actually really begins. This is where your momentum actually begins, guys. So I just want to go over who this is for. This is for you if you've built or started building a signature offer that isn't selling. You know your work is powerful and want buyers right now, and you're ready to go lean, clear, and magnetic instead of complicated. This is not for you if you're comfortable with inconsistent sales. You like to do the funnely stuff and running all over to different, platforms and testing things out. This is why people do this stuff. They run to different places and say, oh, my offer isn't working, and jump to different offers because of this issue that I'm trying to solve for you here, right? You prefer bulky multi-module programs and you're not ready to take action within 24 to 48 hours. You need to take action. So I want to go over quickly the frequently asked questions, because we always ask questions. Will 60 minutes really make a difference? Yes, because the heavy lifting, your content, your offer is already there. It's already out there already. You're not creating from scratch. You're refining and reframing. That kind of clarity can spark immediate action. What if I'm not sure which part of my offer is the shortcut? That's exactly what we'll identify in the session. You bring your offer, we pull the sweet spot out together. Okay. How will I sell it after the session? You'll leave with a 3-step go-to plan you can deploy right away via DMs, voice notes, live posts. We'll cover the method. Okay, whatever method's going to work you're comfortable with. What if this doesn't work for me? Because you're putting in the work and you're focusing on clarity and strategy, not months of modules, right? Income producing activities. You'll have something you can take action immediately, and we'll make sure you leave the session with a blueprint you can implement. Okay, why should you buy now? Every day your offer stays unclear, it stays unsold. People want your transformation. They really do. Don't think you have to change your offer. You do not. They just need a version they can say yes to today. 1 hour can shift your clarity, confidence, momentum, conversation, and income. So here's the long way. Consuming and jam-packed offers that get little to no responses, which creates this uncertainty in you, which diminishes your confidence in yourself. So that's why you do the running around. That's why you're looking at everybody else and wondering why it's not working and just wasting a lot of time. Leads to overthinking and inaction, and that leads to inconsistent sales performance. And now you have one foot out the door and you want to go back to work or don't want to do this at all. So this is a shortcut way. Cut through the complexity, get at least 3 buyer leads a day. That's the goal. That's the focus, right? Offer is easily understood and you gain back 2 hours a day because you're not doing all this trying to figure it out stuff. Higher engagement reduces friction or reduced friction. The higher engagement doesn't come from how many likes and how many comments that you get, but how many people are raising their hand or how many people that you can talk to confidently in the DMs, because not everybody's going to see your content and not everybody's going to raise their hand. So we're not going to wait for that. We're going to use the DM Charm School and we're going to go after our leads, right? Get $200 per shortcut offer. Accelerated sales performance, gain 3K or more without sales call. Introduce them to your premium offer because buyers will more likely buy again at almost 80%. Okay, does that make sense? I hope it's making sense. This is your best chance for sales because you already have a solid following and are steadily increasing your audience. The Shortcut Offer Power Hour can help you convert that engagement into 3 buyer leads and clients each day. While you're consistently creating valuable content, we'll refine your messaging to effectively guide your followers towards a compelling offer of $600 weekly. Even if your audience is small, the Shortcut Power Hour will transform your profile and your posts into powerful lead generation tools, attracting your ideal buyers. Your program already includes a quick win. It already has its solution within the premium offer, allowing us to highlight the most impactful elements and empower you to have confidence in your offer. So here's the next step. Click on this blue invitation or text me at 914-222-0504 if you have any questions. What happens when you follow through? I just want to let you know these people did not take long for them to get results. It did not take long if you take action. Yes, I've done many trainings. If you want to have a bulk of people all at once and you want to offer a $200 thing, they're going to buy that quickly if you do like a presentation, right, to this. Because your whole mode of operandi is to get a buyer's list so that you can eventually put them in without this whole sales call and trying to figure out what it is to do, right? I used the tips and made another sale thanks to you. This was a mini training that I did. So yeah, it could be in the form of just the DMs. I want to use DMs because they're faster and my DM Charm School is actually ready for use and I would love for you to use it. Guys, if this is something that feels right for you, then go to the next step, click on the link and watch the video after Kelly. You can watch Kelly's too, but watch the mini movie. It's 3 minutes long. Just watch that and like get inside right here. Just click on that link. Okay? I hope to meet you soon and I hope to be on that Power Hour call with you. Take care.